The 11 healthiest drinks for losing weight. It's not only about what you eat when it comes to losing weight, it's also about what you drink. The likelihood that you have a drinking issue increases if you are overweight, like 70% of adults in the United States. And we're not only referring to alcoholic beverages. Do you know what happens when you drink a glass of wine every night? Because we're talking about alcohol. No, we're referring to consuming sugary drinks. According to the National Center for Health Statistics, Americans consume around 7% of their daily calories, or more than 100 calories, from sugary drinks, and some of us receive a great deal more. But when we are trying to lose weight, we frequently forget about those liquid calories that are so effortless to consume. When dieting, the majority of us concentrate on reducing certain meals or macronutrients. So, altering what you drink can significantly impact your weight loss attempts. First, plain water. You might anticipate that a tale on what to drink to lose weight would be brief and unappealing. Water. I think that's enough to say. After all, 60% of you are water, making it the healthiest beverage in the world. It is unbeatable for losing weight. You can fill your stomach with it before a meal and consume less calories as a result. In one study, conducted by Virginia Tech researchers, participants who drank 16 ounces of water 3 times a day before meals ate 75 to 90 calories less throughout the meal and lost about 5 pounds more than those who did not. Staying satiated prevents thirst from being mistaken for an indication of hunger. According to research, drinking 64 ounces of water per day is the recommended amount for maintaining a healthy body weight and proper organ function. Ilana Mulstein, RD, a nutritionist and the author of You Can Drop It, How I Lost 100 Pounds and You Can Too, argues that the more water you drink, the more weight you may lose. Drink at least half of your body weight in ounces each day, she suggests. A 200-pound person, for instance, would consume 100 ounces, or roughly 12 glasses. You might also look out for these 7 side effects of not drinking enough water in addition to stunted weight loss if you don't drink enough water. Fruit-infused waters are number 2. Drinking water instead of high-calorie beverages dramatically reduces the calories in every meal while also enhancing digestion and boosting metabolism. Researchers discovered that replacing sweetened beverages with water was associated with weight loss, regardless of diet and activity, in a 2008 trial of 173 obese women aged 25 to 50. Weight loss expert Autumn Calabrese, author of Lose Weight Like Crazy Even If You Have a Crazy Life, advises adding a splash of fruit juices like cranberry, orange, or grapefruit to your water if you're bored of drinking tap water. Or, to add taste and color, get a big tumbler of cold water and add some of these mix-ins: frozen grapes, kiwifruit pieces, blueberries, raspberries, and cucumber. You can also get a big glass of ice water and mix in some frozen grapes, blueberries, raspberries, kiwifruit, cucumber, mint leaves, orange slices, lime wedges, basil, grated ginger, rosemary, cinnamon, mango slices, or pineapple to add flavor and color. The third, green tea. Green tea, especially matcha green tea, contains large amounts of specialized antioxidants called catechins that are thought to speed up metabolism and improve your body's capacity to burn fat. According to a tiny study, ladies who drank green tea of the matcha variety before brisk walking workouts burnt more fat than those who did not. Additionally, a review of 14 research found that patients who consumed a high percentage of green tea lost up to 7.7 pounds more than those who did not, according to the Canadian Pharmacist Journal analysis. Tart cherry juice, position number 4. Numerous studies have connected a lack of sleep to weight gain and the difficulty of losing weight. By sipping on some tart cherry juice before bed, you might be able to guarantee more sound sleep. It has been demonstrated that tart cherries can lengthen and increase the quality of sleep. Tryptophan and anthocyanins, 2 substances found in tart cherries, aid in the body's production of melatonin, a hormone that aids in getting ready for bed. The anthocyanins have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Rats were given either a high-fat diet with freeze-dried tart cherry powder or a control meal with the same number of calories, but no tart cherry addition in trials on animals that were published in the Journal of Medicinal Food. Only those who were fed the tart cherries saw a 9% decrease in belly fat and other metabolic disease indicators. One of the 5 definitely best foods to eat for better sleep is tart cherry juice. 35. Coffee. As long as you aren't drinking your morning coffee alongside a glazed donut, it might help you lose weight. According to a recent study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 4 cups of coffee each day can lower body fat by roughly 4%. The research was based on a 24-week observational study in which 126 overweight, non-insulin-sensitive adults were randomly assigned to drink 4 cups of regular coffee or 4 cups of a placebo beverage each day for 24 weeks. The goal of the study was to find proof that drinking coffee lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes. But it led to an unexpected discovery, a link between coffee consumption and a little reduction in body fat. Derek Alpert, a co-author on the study and an assistant professor in the Department of Nutrition at Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, explained that the researchers think the fat loss was not brought on by dietary or exercise modifications, but rather by the caffeine's acceleration of the drinker's metabolic rate. Psyllium husk mixed with water is number 6. A soluble fiber called psyllium husk, which is utilized in the well-known fiber supplement Metamucil, thickens into a gel when combined with water. Psyllium helps you feel full by absorbing liquid in your body, which makes it easier for you to eat less. People who took psyllium husk before breakfast and lunch for 3 days reported feeling fuller between meals compared to those who took a placebo, according to a study published in the journal Appetite. The other study found that persons with type 2 diabetes who consumed their regular diet for the same 8-week period while taking 10.5 grams of psyllium daily had a lower body mass index. Grapefruit juice, position 7. Although full in vitamins, fruit juice, even 100% fruit juice, is heavy in natural sugars and calories. So if you're trying to lose weight, you probably shouldn't drink large glasses of juice. However, a tiny sip of grapefruit juice might be beneficial. Researchers at the Scripps Clinic in California put 100 obese men and women into 3 groups for a 12-week trial. Before each of their 3 daily meals, one group consumed half a grapefruit, another consumed a glass of grapefruit juice, and the third group consumed no grapefruit at all. Grapefruit juice drinkers lost 3.3 pounds on average, while those who consumed the entire fruit lost an average of 3.6 pounds. The control group only lost a half of what 12 weeks in 1 pound. Number 8. Watermelon with coconut water. Your metabolism will be accelerated and weight reduction will happen more quickly if you combine a diet plan with a regular exercise routine. But don't grab for the sports drinks to rehydrate unless you're exercising for more than an hour or in the heat and losing a lot of fluid through perspiration. The majority have high sugar and calorie content. Better is water. Additionally, you might try coconut water or watermelon water to replace your electrolytes. In his best-selling book Food, What the Heck Should I Eat?, Dr. Mark Hyman, MD, claims that both are low-sugar appropriate alternatives for sports of rehydration. L-citrulline, an amino acid that aids in moving lactic acid out of muscles and lessening discomfort and exhaustion, is abundant in watermelon. 6 cups of cubed, ripe, seedless watermelon in 1 cup of cold water can be blended or processed to create your own watermelon water. Stir or blend until liquid. Number 9. A protein shake made from organic plants. Protein aids in satiety and serves as the basis for muscular growth, both of which are beneficial for weight loss. When used as meal replacements and between meal snacks, high-protein drinks with low calorie counts can help people lose weight. In a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, beverages containing 56 grams of whey protein and a carbohydrate with comparable calories were contrasted. 90 obese participants were given one of these drinks at random and instructed to drink it twice daily. Comparing the whey protein group to the group who drank the carbohydrate drink after 23 weeks, the whey protein group had a lower body weight by 4 pounds and 5 pounds less body fat. Whey protein, which is derived from milk and may cause inflammation, should be avoided. From bean and pea proteins, many businesses provide ready-to-drink vegan protein smoothies. These contain vitamins and minerals along with 15 to 20 grams of protein from plants that will satisfy your hunger. Additionally, they range from 130 to 200 calories, making them suitable as meal replacements and high-protein between-meal snacks. White tea is number 10. Although white tea also includes the potent fat-burning combo of caffeine and the catechin GCG, which test tube studies have shown really stops the formation of new fat cells, green tea is more well known for its health advantages. According to a study in the journal Nutrition and Metabolism, white tea speeds up metabolism and boosts the body's capacity to use stored fat for energy. The Carb Cutter Smoothie, position 11. You can successfully fend off hunger sensations that might otherwise tempt you to reach for a bag of chips or a piece of cake by making low-calorie smoothies with filling protein powders. They are also simple to create. To make a smoothie that will help you lose weight and quell your hunger, all you need is a blender, a scoop of protein powder, and some frozen berries. The Zero Belly Smoothies recipe is worth a try. Blend the following ingredients in a powerful blender. 1 scoop vanilla plant-based protein powder, a 1/4 cup frozen berries, 1/2 cup frozen spinach, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, a dash of cinnamon, and a dash of turmeric. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. The cinnamon helps to balance blood sugar levels and may aid in weight loss. The almond milk has fewer calories than cow's milk and a mild flavor that adds 5 grams of heart-healthy fat but no extra calories, says nutritionist Amy Shapiro, MS.RD. It's loaded with nutrients but devoid of excess calories and sugar, she adds. Thanks for watching. Please, if you find the video useful, subscribe for more videos like this.